Welcome to Brainfeed magazine. From this article, you will explore the theory of outer space's dark stars and how they are formed. Also, learn how the discovery of dark stars would be a breakthrough for scientists. Let's get started. Recent pictures from the James Webb Telescope may indicate the possibility of the existence of dark stars, the stars powered by dark matter. Dark matter is a hypothetical form of matter that is not visible to telescopes and other instruments that detect light. Scientists shared their findings in July 2023 during the proceedings of the National Academy of Sciences in the United States. If these stars turn out to be dark stars, they could give us clues about dark matter and even help explain the origins of the universe's biggest black holes. What are dark stars? Dark stars are a hypothetical type of astronomical object that has been proposed in the field of astrophysics and cosmology. They are primarily composed of hypothetical particles called weakly interacting massive particles, which are a type of dark matter. Dark matter is an invisible substance adding to the universe's mass and gravitational effects, yet it does not interact with electromagnetic radiation like light. Dark stars are assumed to form when dark matter collects in sufficient quantities due to gravitational attraction. Evidence from James Webb. The James Webb Space Telescope could potentially provide evidence for the existence of dark stars. It is powerful enough to detect faint objects in the distant universe, and it could be used to study the formation of galaxies and supermassive black holes. Possibility of dark star. The discovery of dark stars would be a major breakthrough in astrophysics. They could help explain the origins of supermassive black holes. However, there is no definitive proof that dark stars exist. Despite the challenges, the search for dark stars continues, as their discovery would pave the way for a significant advancement in our knowledge of astrophysics and cosmology. That brings us to the end of this article. Here you learned: recent images from the James Webb Telescope suggest the discovery of dark stars, potentially unveiling secrets about the early universe and dark matter. Dark stars, powered by mysterious dark matter, could provide clues about the formation of the first stars and the universe's biggest black holes. The discovery of dark stars would be a major milestone in astrophysics, opening new avenues of research and advancing our understanding of the cosmos. We hope you liked this story. Stay tuned to Brainfeed TV, our YouTube channel.